Hi, I'm Dwight Pargee, and I'd like to invite you to my new upcoming workshop in June. It'll be June 22nd and 23rd. It'll be a series of awareness through movement lessons that are designed to improve the use of your arms in different sports activities. And we're naming it swing, throw, and catch. I work a lot with professional athletes in the different sports. I was looking at sports that use a racket or a club or a bat or a ball. So that covers the whole spectrum from tennis to pickleball, of course, ping pong and badminton, golf clubs and softball and baseball bats and cricket bats, even hockey players. If you're a recreational athlete, if you're a competitive athlete, I think you'll find value in these movement lessons. And I think what's really interesting is when we start working with this idea of how our arms are connected into the core of ourselves and how we use our legs and our hips for good action, everybody benefits. And specifically, you'll find benefit with how you use your arms in your sense of dynamic balance.